Welcome back to the channel, guys. In today's video, we're going to be doing some Doordash, some Walmart Spark, some UberEats, and some Grubhub. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that like and that subscribe button. Stop playing with me. And if you didn't know, I'm the fastest dasher alive, so you might as well buy a membership.
Bruh. Man, stop playing with me. What?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
To do some earn by time. Let's go ahead and get up in there, see what we get first. We starting off the day at Sam's Club. Gas is $3.05 at Sam's Club, guys. What's that? $44.99. Basically 45. One case of water and some onions. That's it on this order. So you know what? That's a perfect way to start out the day. Easy little order, shop and deliver. Which one I'm going to? 2A. Just grabbed the little $7 Chick-fil-A order going 2 miles away. Walmart dried up for a little bit. Doordash, I don't even have a schedule at all, so I'm gonna just hope that it opens up for me and allows me to dash now. But if it does allow me to dash now, I'm gonna do earn per order because I need a straight schedule to do earn by time, and I ain't trying to be dirty multi-apping on earn by time and getting violations. I still got one I'm trying to get rid of. So we're gonna run this little Uber order up the street. Ain't nothing but trash right here on Walmart Spark. So I'm gonna see if I can get something on this food delivery while we in this little slow period. It's 2 o'clock right now, and from 2 to 4 is known to be slow. Now the good thing is I just got out here, so I still got lots of energy. And even though it's slow right now, I'm gonna go ahead and stay out here and see how much I can make. Just got another one on UberEats at Nothing But Cake. So we're finna head up in here and see if they got this one ready. Oh, this one for Carly. All right, Carly, we finna see if they got your order ready. It's something to keep the wheels rolling. Hello. Thank you.
Have a great day.
You too. Not the greatest order, guys. I'm gonna keep it 100, but I needed something. And as I speak, I get a Grubhub come through. $6.34 for what's that? 4 miles. This is literally the first Grubhub order I've gotten all day. Let's see, I did 46 bucks, something like that, but not quite 50 bucks. Been out here about 3 hours, so we're not doing too well. But the dinner shift is getting ready to start. We in the lunchtime and we getting out of that slow period. Should pick up on all the apps. Now, the only thing is I wanted to get a shift on Doordash, but I haven't got a shift yet. So I'm still got my fingers crossed for Dash now so that I can do some multi-app. We just dropped off a $23 shop and deliver 7-mile distance on that one. And now we doing a $7 Uber, keeping these wheels rolling. Got a $12 order going 4 miles at Chick-fil-A.
Turn left.
And look, this was perfect timing because I was literally on my way home. It was so slow, I wasn't getting anything on all the apps. Then as soon as I get ready to head home, they sent me an order on UberEats. We got the app paused right now. I'm about to head into Chick-fil-A. This one has an estimated time of 5:41. So I'm gonna go ahead and unpause this once I get closer to this first drop off. There we go. Been in here about 4 minutes. Still waiting on that order to be done. It's not quite done yet, but they working pretty hard in here. And Chick-fil-A is like super packed today. They literally got everybody up in here today. It's crazy. But I just need this order quick so I can get it delivered and unpause. I think that's my order right there. Now I just need them to bring it on over so I can head on out. It's like they got a couple kids meals on that order right there. I think that's why the tip is so good, because they got a couple kids meals on there. Usually when people order their kids meal.
My pleasure.
Dropping off the Chick-fil-A order right now. Yeah, as soon as I get done with this one, we will be turning on Doordash. Front door service, get that picture. Boom, and we out. All right, so I got that Uber Eats order dropped off, and then I got a $4 Doordash order going less than a mile. Pokemunch picked that up and dropped it off. And now we on this Sonic order. We got $7.25 for 4 miles. Straight shot at Sonic's, and I'm sitting in the drive-thru right now. I'm glad I'm on earn by order tonight. I plan on making good earnings tonight. But that's only with all the apps in conjunction, because I can't depend on just one single. My goodness, they got these huge drinks. So we finna have to take them up to the door first. Now I can grab the other 2. Hopefully DoorDash sends me another offer after this. Well, looks like Grubhub beat them to the punch. $11.83 for 13 miles. What the hell? Hell no. I ain't taking that. And I will just see if DoorDash got something better, because that is a reverse order. Not doing any reverse orders today. Get that picture. Boom. $7.25. Let's see if $7.25 changes. Nope. $5 tip. I'm cool with it. All right, so just got 2 more orders. One right here at Wayne Gang, and the other one is right there at Viva La Fiesta. So we're gonna head up in here first, get this order, and then we're gonna grab the other one. Gotta go to the other entrance. I always get these confused because they're so close to each other. You got the Indian spot right here next to Wayne Gang. So, of course, as soon as I get close to the business, they started playing copyrighted music. So we just get to enjoy some nice little visuals right here. See, they got some newspapers. They got a nice little interior. Got it going on in here. Nice, clean establishment. Thank you, ma'am. All right, we got that one. Now we finna head over here to Viva La Fiesta. And they known to be slow, especially on busy nights. So I'm crossing my finger. It might not be. Yeah, they be pretty slow up in here. Nope, it is not. Yeah, I got, oh. No Luke. Luke is not ready. Oh, they don't got the second order. I'm finna head to the car, get this first one in the hot bag, and then after that we'll come back and see if they got that one ready over there. But at least we keeping the wheels rolling. You know, we not wasting a whole bunch of time. We making money, and it's a beautiful night too. Look at the scenery, man. We right here in the little plaza. That's where the Tesla charger is, right over there. It's lots of little merchants over here, so I'm glad I came back. Bruh, I just got an order on UberEats. $2 for 2.7 miles, all base pay. No tip, no even thinking about it, just all base pay. $2? Man, looky here. First of all, it's not happening. Second of all, what the hell is wrong with y'all Uber Eats sending out orders for $2? Man, ain't nobody doing that. And if you is, what the hell is wrong with you? You better value yourself a little bit more than $2, man. Looky here. If you out there doing $2 orders, you finna be doing 10 orders per hour, and that's, first of all, that's not possible, just to make 20 bucks. 20 bucks, 10, you got it. So you telling me you willing to do 10 orders to make 20 bucks? Just go ahead and fill out an application, man. Quit doing gigs, because you messing it up for everybody. Dropping off one of the orders right here. Let's get this next one dropped off after that. We made it to the college dorm. Damn, let's drop off this second order. There we go. Get the picture. We are pulling up to Walmart right now. I was finna be on my way home again. I said, you know what? Before I do that, let me just click on this gig app and see what's going on, because they just might have something for me. And they absolutely did. Guys, we got one. $18.96. 5 miles. Walmart Spark curbside pickup. And it is 3 customers on there, but guess what? I'm cool with it. And the reason is because when it's 3 customers and it's only going this amount of miles, I can dig it. So look, we finna hit parking spot number 15, and we finna go ahead and get in where we fit in. Come on, man, make that turn. Make that turn. Man, I'm gonna tell you this right now. I'm about tired of these college kids, because they order all this stuff, they don't fucking tip, and they think I'm about to bring this shit to the second floor. They got another thing coming. It's not happening. That was absolutely something right there. 2 college campus drop-offs. I hate coming to the college campus, guys. Absolutely hate it. I think I'm about done for the night. I'm about to add up everything. Let's see, we did quite a few orders on Walmart Spark, quite a few. And we did like, what, 4 orders on Doordash, 3 on Uber Eats. So it was a pretty busy night after about 5 o'clock when I was getting ready to head home and I decided to stay out. It got pretty busy after that. I'm happy with what I did, but man, I can't take no more headache, because I just spent too much time at this college, like way too much time, and I'm not doing that no more. That's like 75 right there in Walmart Spark trips, okay. Then let's see what we got on Uber Eats. Uber Eats is showing me $24.05. And then we got another, how much on DoorDash? Another 20 bucks plus 20 on DoorDash. All right, 119 bucks. And as I speak, they throwing on a $4 surge on Uber Eats. Like, they would do that. every time I'm trying to like end it, they want to hit me with a surge. So now that it's a surge, I might see if I can get one more, but it only say plus $4. So if the order ain't giving me like 12, I'm gonna go ahead and hang it up. But all in all, not the worst night, not the best night. I definitely had to get out and make some money. So I was like, you know what? I'm gonna take what I get and I'm gonna keep it moving. I'm gonna try to take things within my parameters and try not to worry about anything else. Now the great part is I filled up my gas tank today at Sam's Club, spent $45. So I made all of that back. Whoop! I made all of that back, and we still got 3/4 of a tank for tomorrow to get out there early, hit it hard, get some deliveries done. Look, if you made it this far in the video, you the MVP. Stop playing with me. I need you to do me a favor though. Go ahead, hit that like button and the subscribe button, and check out one of these other videos, because that's what YouTube think you should watch next.